in two variables. Already I have clearly explained about the different relative positions of three straight lines. So in that I have taken the first case, that is intersecting lines. Which one? Intersecting lines. When we can say the two lines are intersecting, the condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2 in fact. Okay, so they have how many solutions? One solution. So this is the main reason I am taking this video. Okay, so unique solution, how to find out that particular unique solution here. So we have different methods, different procedures to find out that unique solution. Now I am going to discuss three methods here, three procedures to find out that unique solution. In that I am taking first elimination method. I am considering this elimination method first of all. Very useful topic for 10th class, intermediate and above the all classes. So elimination method, I am considering two equations here. Pair of linear equations I am considering. Let us take x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0 is the one of a line, and 2x plus 3y plus 3 is equals to 0 is another line. Okay, these two lines are intersecting or parallel? Obviously intersecting lines, because I am already discussing about the intersecting lines topic. Check once. So a1 by a2, that is 1 by 2, and here 1 by 3. a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. So a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, then we can say the given lines are intersecting lines. Now come to the point. So I am considering two lines, x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0, 2x plus 3y plus 3 is equals to 0. So which method I am using? Elimination method. So while dealing with elimination method, you have to see both the equations first. In that, variables, x variable, y variable. So at least one of the variables coefficients are equal, same. One of the x or y, whatever it may be, any one of the coefficients of x or y in the both equations are same. You have to make in such a way that both the coefficients of x or y are same. So by seeing these two equations, x coefficients are not similar and y coefficients are not similar. So I am going to make them similar. By how? So take it as equation number 1. If both if you got one x or y is similar, then you have to go through. But if you don't have any similarities in that, so you have to do some simple modification. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. I am going to multiply equation number 1 with 2, then I am going to get here 2x. Already here 2x is there, so I am going to multiply equation 1 with 2, then I am going to get 2x, 2 into x 2x, and 2 into y 2y plus 2 is equals to 0. So already equation 2, I am not going to do any modifications for equation number 2, because already here 2x is there. I am also want there is there 2x. So 2x plus 3y plus 3 is equals to 0. See here, by addition we are not going to eliminate this one. Okay, here also we are not going to eliminate. So these same coefficients are there, no? X coefficient is here in equation number 1, x coefficient in equation number 2, both are similar. So I am doing elimination method. So our intention is to eliminate one of x coefficients or y coefficients. So here x coefficients are similar, so my intention is to eliminate x coefficients. But how? So if I am doing subtraction, then only it is possible. Okay, so take do subtraction. So how? Here if it is plus symbol, then you have to make as minus. Here plus minus plus minus. Okay, cancel 2x plus 2x minus x. You have to consider this one, this symbol only. So these two are cancel. So minus 3y plus 2y. So you will get minus y. Here how much? 2 minus 3, again minus 1 is equals to 0. You have to take y that side, then you will get y value, plus y value. Therefore y is equals to minus 1. Okay, after getting any one of the variable value, you have to substitute this value in any one of the equation number 1 or equation number 2. I am going to substitute in equation number 1. Substitute y is equals to 1 in equation number 1. So x plus into here minus y value is minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. So x minus 1 plus 1 is equals 0, plus 1 minus 1 get cancel, x is equals to 0. So the solution, therefore the point of intersection or solution both are same. So the solution is how much here? Solution is px comma y is equals to 0 comma minus 1. The solution is also called intersecting points later. So this is the procedure to find out the solution of a pair of linear equation by elimination method. Now same equation I am taking in a substitution method. So let us take those two equations again. X plus y plus 1 is equals to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay. From equation number 1, from 1 x is equals to, send this y outside, RHS said, then minus y minus 1, x is equals to how much? Minus y minus 1. As the name suggests, substitution method, so you have to take any one, you have to convert the equation in terms of any one of the variables value, that one. So after getting the x value or y value, you can also convert this one as y is equals to minus x minus 1, but I am taking x is equals to minus y and minus 1. So after converting in terms of x or y, you have to substitute that value in second equation. Okay, I am taking from first equation I got this value, therefore I am going to substitute in second equation. If you got this value from second equation, then you have to go through first equation. Okay, note this point. I am getting this one from first equation, therefore I am going to substitute this one in second equation. So substitute x in equation number 2. In equation number 2 into x value, how much x value? Minus y minus 1 plus 3y plus 3 is equals to 0. 2 into minus y is minus 2y minus 2 plus 3y plus 3 is equals to 0. So minus 2y plus 3y, how much here? Only 1y left here. Minus 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equals to 0. So y is equals to how much? Minus 1. Okay. So after getting y value, you can able to substitute in any one of the two equations. So I am going to first equation again. Substitute y in equation number 1. So x, y value how much here? Minus 1, plus into minus, minus 1 and plus 1 is equals to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancel, x is equals to how much? 0. Therefore a solution, that unique solution or point of intersection px comma y is equals to how much? 0 comma minus 1. Okay. And finally cross multiplication method. In intermediate stage, most of the lecturers or most of the students are going through this method only. So very interesting method and very easy too. So I am taking same equations again. X plus y plus 1 is equals to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 3 is equals to 0. So here variables are x and y are variables here. Note this point. While doing cross multiplication method, you have to think about the variables. So here variable x is there one variable and y is one another variable. So you have to write one here. Okay. So like this you have to keep. Now very important topic this one. You have to see both the equations. I have written x here because x variable is there and written y variable also there and some constant. Whatever is constant is there, you have to ignore and you have to write just one here. Okay. So in below the x you have to start with a y. Okay, you have to start, remember this point, below the x you don't write x value, you have to start with a y coefficient. So y coefficient how much here? 1. So I will write 1 here. Then come to the constant, that is also a 1. Okay, then comes to the x coefficient. Okay, then comes to the x coefficient, that is also a 1. And finally you have to write whatever you have to written in first column and first row, you have to write that same value. Whatever you are starting with, you have to end with the same number. Okay, the first column is over now. And for second column, you have to go with the second equation. So again, you have to start with the y coefficient here. What is the y coefficient here? 3. You have to write 3. Then comes to the constant, that is also a 3. And then comes to the x coefficient, that is 2. Finally, you have to write initial value. So we are starting with 3. And we are ending with 3. Okay. Now do the cross multiplication in a matrices, that is called det. Cross multiplication. So x divided by, so 1 AD minus BC. Okay, A B C D. So AD minus BC, this one into this one. Okay, 1 into 3 minus AD minus BC. So how much? 1 into 3. In the same way, y divided by again AD minus BC, 1 into 2 minus, we have to keep minus, note this point, we have to keep minus AD minus BC, and 1 into 3. So 1 by again 1 into 3 minus 1 into 2. Okay, then do calculation. 1 3s are 3 minus 3, y by 2 minus 3, that is equals to 1 by how much it is? 3 minus 2. Okay, x by 0, y by minus 1, 1 by 1. Okay, after that you have to compare x coefficient with constant as well as y coefficient with constant only. So x by 0 is equals to 1 by 1. So x is equals to 0 by 1, 0 by something 0. So x is equals to 0, and y by minus 1 is equals to 1 by 1. So y is equals to minus 1 by 1. So y is equals to minus 1. So x value, y value, we got x value, y value. Therefore point of intersection P x comma y is equals to how much we are getting here? 0 comma 1, 0 comma minus 1. So in this way we are going to find out the solutions of a pair of linear equations. So first one is elimination method, second one is substitution method, and third one is cross multiplication method. Any